Welcome to your comprehensive guide on product management in RouteMagic. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about organizing your product database, from classes and groups to packaging, IMEI tracking, deposit items, and important reporting features. Let's dive in. Products. In RouteMagic, the product management module allows you to create, edit, and maintain your full product catalog. You'll define essential attributes like product name, default price, cost, VAT details, packaging, and more. Once products are set up, they become the foundation of all sales and inventory operations. Adding a new product. Navigate to Product Management. Under Product Management, Products, click Add. Key sections. Product details, provide name, SKU, barcode, and an optional photo or documents. Stocking and measurement, set reorder levels, multiple units of measure, or track weight, volume. Categorization, assign the product to relevant groups or classes. Price and cost, enter the default sell price and cost. Packaging, link the product with predefined packaging types if relevant. Other settings, decide if the product is returnable, should be visible to the field user or not, track IMEI or manage deposit items. Editing and deactivating. Over time, you can edit a product to change its cost, add or remove packaging, or deactivate it if it's no longer sold. Deactivation ensures that the product remains in your historical data, but is not available for new transactions. Product class. Purpose. Product classes help you break down items into hierarchical categories like dairy, bakery, or electronics mobile phones. Setting a sequence number ensures that products appear in a particular order on the handheld device. Creating a product class. Go to Product Class. Under Product Management, Product Class, click Add. Define name and sequence, provide the class name, for example, dairy products, add a description if needed, and assign a sequence. Product group. Why group your products? Product groups allow an additional layer of categorization, for example, grouping multiple classes or items that share marketing or functional traits. You might have groups like organic range or promotional bundles that cut across class boundaries. Creating a product group, add in Product Management, Product Group, define a new group name and optional description. Associate products. Within each product settings, you can select multiple groups if the product fits multiple categories. Bulk operations. Product groups streamline tasks like bulk additions, promotions, or price list management. Brand. RouteMagic allows you to link each product with a brand, offering an additional layer of organization and filtering. To use this feature, create a brand. In Product Management, Brand, click Add to enter the brand's name, for example, Tesco and Aldi, and save. You can add as many brands as needed, giving each a descriptive name. Assign the brand to products. When creating or editing a product, select the appropriate brand from the drop-down. This links the product to that brand internally. If needed, you can update a product's brand later to maintain consistency as your catalog evolves. Filtering by brand. Once brands are assigned, you can filter or search products by brand, both in the back-office system and in the product catalog. This makes it easier to locate and manage specific sets of products during tasks like promotions, route planning, or inventory checks. Enhanced catalog search. Within the product catalog, you can apply brand filters in addition to product class, group, or other custom fields. If you carry many products, brand-based filtering ensures quick navigation and helps you find relevant items without wading through an entire list. Product lists. Blacklist versus whitelist. Not all products are meant for every customer. A product blacklist hides those items from a customer, while a whitelist restricts the customer to only those items on the list. This ensures the correct product availability per customer. Creating and applying a product list. Enable setting. Turn on Enable Product White Blacklist in your company settings. Create a list. Under Product Management, Product Lists, click Add. Choose type, blacklist or whitelist, and select products. Apply to customers. From the three-dot action menu, pick Apply Product List. Then select the relevant customers or customer groups. When a driver or user tries to sell to that customer, only permissible items appear, or blacklisted items are hidden. If a separate product list is applied to a delivery point, that specific product list will be used when creating sales for that location. Unit of measure UOM. Single and double UOM. Some products are sold in straightforward units, like 1 bottle equals sign 1 unit, while others require both a base unit each and a bulk measure case. RouteMagic supports single or double UOM with the help of a multiplication factor. For instance, one case might hold 24 bottles. Setting up UOM. Enable multi-UOM. If needed, activate the Enable multi-UOM setting in your company. Define UOM. Create or label units, for example, each case kg liter. Configure in product. On the product page, specify the default UOM, piece, liter, etc., plus an optional second unit of measure, égales. Case, and how many base units fit in the bulk measure. Usage. On the handheld or ERP screens, the user can select which measure they're selling in, allowing them to quickly ring up individual items or entire cases. Product resequence. Product resequencing is about reordering how your products appear. If you find that the default listing order is unhelpful, you can update the sequence in which products display in RouteMagic. Combined with product classes, this ensures quick navigation for drivers. Go to Product Management. Under Product Resequence, you can resequence the products based on your convenience. Handheld. If your handheld profile is set to sort by sequence, the updated order is visible to the driver. Packaging. Why packaging matters. Packaging details ensure you track how goods are prepared or contained for shipment, like cartons, crates, or wrap. This helps you manage cost, track materials used, or simply specify how many items are in a box. 8.2 Creating packaging types. Navigate to Product Management, Packaging. Define packaging. For each packaging option, specify a name, for example, cardboard box and cost. Assign to products. In the product detail screen, pick from the defined packaging options. The cost can then factor into your final product cost or logistical steps. Delivery package types. Delivery package types let you specify the final container or wrapping that actually goes out to the customer. For example, you might deliver 20 small biscuit packets in a single large bag. By defining these types, you can add them to the packing process if you're using the full pick-pack workflow, and manage associated costs or label them on the final invoice. IMEI tracking. Purpose. For items that require serial level or unique identification, like mobile phones with IMEI numbers, RouteMagic's IMEI tracking ensures you know exactly which device is in which warehouse, van, retailer location, or sold to which end user. Configuration. Enable the checkbox. In a product's details, tick Enable IMEI tracking. IMEI management screen. A dedicated IMEI tracking screen in the ERP shows each phone's unique ID and current location, warehouse, vehicle, retailer, or end user. Workflow. As drivers load, unload, or sell the phone, the system updates that phone's status from in-warehouse to in-vehicle, or from in-vehicle to sold to customer, etc. Handheld app. Drivers see an IMEI loading-unloading menu if allowed, scanning barcodes or manually entering an IMEI to confirm movement. Deposit items. Deposit items let you track additional assets delivered with the main product, such as crates for beverages or special containers that incur monthly rental or deposit fees. Setup. Create a deposit item under Product Management or a dedicated deposit item menu. Specify the item name, monthly rent, or deposit cost. Link to customer. In the customer's delivery point settings, attach relevant deposit items so that the driver sees them on site visits. On the app, drivers can add or remove deposit quantities, which affects the invoice. If the deposit item is returned, the system updates the deposit record to reflect the new quantity. Reports. 1. Product cost change. Purpose. The product cost changes report logs when and how product costs are updated. Each entry shows the old cost, new cost, date time, and the user who made the update. This helps you analyze cost trends and maintain accurate records for profitability checks. Usage. Access, typically found under reports, product cost changes. Decision-making. If you notice frequent cost updates or increasing raw material prices, you can adjust your pricing strategy accordingly. 2. Default product price. Purpose. The default product price changes report tracks any alteration to the default selling price for a given customer. If a driver changes the price in van sales, assuming your handheld setting allows it, that new price overwrites the default. The report captures which driver updated the price when it happened, and what the old versus new price was. Usage. Access, usually under reports, default product price changes. Control. If you see too many changes or unexpected price reductions, you might revise driver permissions or your pricing policies. Conclusion. In this detailed overview of product management in RouteMagic, we explored how to structure your entire product database, from setting up brand, classes, and groups to advanced features like blacklists, whitelists, deposit items, packaging details, and IMEI tracking. We also highlighted crucial reports, product cost changes, and default product price changes that keep you informed about evolving costs and prices. By leveraging these features, you can maintain accurate product data, streamline sales and logistics, and make better informed decisions for your business. Thank you for watching, and we hope you're now ready to configure and manage your product catalog effectively in RouteMagic.